In our earlier video, we saw capturing of sound waves, transferring it through auditory canal to tympanic membrane resonating as per sound waves. That resonating sound wave, or rather vibration, conducted via medius incus stapes in middle ear to oval window. Oval window, the beginning of inner ear. Alright. Now here, till this portion, it was all air, right? Atmospheric pressure. But now here, it's fluid, known as endolymph. We are showing here, we have semicircular canals and varieties of things. I am keen of cochlea. Attached to cochlea over here is tectoral membrane. Now to tectoral membrane over here are attached hair cells. Alright, these hair cells are attached to basilar membrane. Basilar membrane in return to cochlear nerve and to auditory nerve to brain, right? Alright, so these are all nerve cells. Now what happens is tectoral membrane keeps on vibrating this way. The vibration are now converted into electron volts. How? Let's understand my way. Now assume this to be tectoral membrane, and these are hair cells, and this basilar membrane connected to cochlear nerve, which is connected to auditory nerve, right? Alright, so this is a normal state, right? Now what happens is it receives vibration, and owing to which tectoral membrane is vibrating. But in this case, what has happened? It has just vibrated this much. So it has moved from here to here. Whereas in this case of sound, we are finding it is vibrating too much and has come till here. So here, tectoral membrane was displaced via S1 distance, whereas here, tectoral membrane was displaced by S2 distance. Now we know work is force into displacement. So obviously here, displacement is less. Alright, so work done is obviously less in this case, whereas in this case, displacement is more. So force into displacement, so work is more in this case. So that's why I mentioned over here, S2 is bigger than S1. So work 2 is greater than work 1. So the transducers now does what? Transducer sitting here converts these work into electron volts. Now obviously EV2 would be greater than EV1. This is how the sound waves of varieties of wavelength are converted into varieties of EV, thus discriminating one sound from other. Alright, the sound which has come is via smaller wavelength, whereas here it has been via bigger wavelength, right? So owing to which the displacement done is bigger wavelength, lesser displacement, lesser work, and so lesser EV generated. Whereas here, lower wavelength of sound, owing to which higher energy of sound, owing to which higher displacement, owing to which higher work done. Since higher work done, so higher EV generated by transducer. Alright, it processes all those varieties of wavelengths of sound generated in a very conspicuous manner. So that's the reason why we can discriminate sound one from other, right?